As PHP developers, it is often necessary to manage multiple projects, and different projects will require the use of different PHP versions. Whether it is possible to quickly switch PHP versions has become a key to work efficiency. Today, we will talk about how to use PHP on ServBay, and we will divide it into 3 parts. The first part, we will introduce how to quickly set up the PHP environment. The second part, how to quickly switch the PHP environment. The third part is how to use different versions of PHP for different projects. Let's first talk about how to quickly set up the PHP environment on Mac OS. It's very simple, can be said in 2 sentences. After we download ServBay, we come to Services, PHP. Select the required PHP version, and click the green button to download it. The second part, how to quickly switch the PHP environment. As you can see, ServBay integrates PHP versions 5.6 to 8.5 dev. All these PHP versions can actually run synchronously without conflict. However, if you want to switch the PHP environment, it is also very simple. You only need to click the blue button to pause and start the required PHP version. After clicking Start, a dialog box will pop up asking us whether to set 8.5 as the default PHP version. The current default version is 8.4. This can be selected according to your actual needs. Below we will introduce how to use different versions of PHP for different projects. We can use the project-level configuration file. ServBay.config to accurately control the PHP version in the command line environment, achieving parallel development and version isolation for multiple projects. ServBay adopts a non-intrusive switching method. When executing commands, ServBay automatically identifies the ServBay.config under the project directory and dynamically loads the corresponding PHP environment, avoiding global configuration conflicts. First, we need to create the ServBay.config file in the root directory and add content according to our project. For example, my current PHP version is 8.4, Node version 20, and Go version 1.24. After entering, save it to the root directory of our project. Then we will verify whether it takes effect. As you can see, our PHP is now version 8.4. If I want to change the project to version 8.5, I only need to modify the content here to 8.5 and save it. We can also look at the Node version. It is currently 20. Let's change it to 22, save, and verify. Obviously, it is now version 22. Okay, this is how to configure the PHP version through ServBay config. In addition to the command line, we can also use ServBay's graphical website configuration interface to manage PHP versions, which is mutually independent from the command line environment. First, we open ServBay, enter the website tab, and click the plus sign below to create a new website or edit an existing one. In the PHP version drop-down menu, select the target version. For example, if I want to change this project to 8.4, I can directly modify and save it. Through the graphical interface, we can also specify the project public directory and set custom domains. ServBay also supports automatic HTTPS issuance. Through the above methods, we can configure a specific PHP version for each project, and each PHP version runs as an independent process, avoiding cross-version contamination due to memory leaks. The next episode we will show you how to configure Node.js in ServBay. Don't forget to like and follow.